guys, and welcome back to Magic Tricks TV. I know I posted a video probably 4 or 5 days ago, maybe a week ago, saying that I would not be uploading for a few weeks because of Christmas and family, but I had some free time, so I decided to film a video. Now this video is going to be revealing a Penn and card trick. This is a really good one. This is David Parr. This is like a follow the leader type card trick. I'm not going to be performing it just because of the heavy setup it requires. But I will leave a link to the performance in the description, and in each video I leave the link to the deck, or I will start leaving links to the deck. So I sort of just left the titles, but now I'm going to leave the links. So if you want to learn it, don't forget to stick around and hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps. I'd love new subscribers. And yeah, let's move on how to do this. Hopefully you've watched the performance, but yeah, let's do this. So what you're going to need for this is 2 decks of cards and this setup. You're going to need 2 decks of cards and some double stick tape. That's all you're going to need. So you're going to start off by taking 1 deck, and you're going to take 1 card out of each one. So I've taken the 8 of clubs out. The 8 of clubs from the blue deck and the 8 of clubs from the red deck. And they are normal. Then you're going to take another card from what deck you want, and then you're going to put a piece of double stick tape, just a little piece, down the middle there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is there. And then just a tiny piece down the middle. And then you're also going to have another card from that same deck, but it needs to be crimped so it creates a break. And then so you can crimp the card in different ways. I just bend it like this, and that is perfect. You can also do a breather crimp where you like stretch the corners. I'll not go into detail with that. There are tutorials, I'm sure. But yeah, so 2 cards, a card with double stick tape, and a crimped card. So you're going to take 1 deck. This is the deck that has the crimp and the double stick tape, and you're going to take around about like 10 to 15 cards, about this much. You're going to, oh actually I forgot, you need to take your 8 of clubs from your different deck, put it second from the top, then take your 9 of diamonds with the double stick tape, and then put that on top or on the bottom, like that. Now what you're going to do is take about 10 or 15 cards, about that much. You're going to take your red 8 of clubs, or whatever card you're using, stick that on, and then take your crimped card and put it on, put the deck on top, and you are ready. So the one that has all the setup and this tape and the crimped card is going to be the one that you are handling, and the other one is just going to be a normal deck, no setup. It can be shuffled and will be handled by the spectator. So once again, this is a follow the leader type card trick. So what you're going to do is start off with your deck in your hand, and you can explain to the spectator, follow the leader. You can do whatever patter presentation you like, I won't get into that. You're going to start off by just telling them to spread the cards out, and then they can show the faces. You see that they are all different, like this. They do the same with their deck. Just pretend they do that, and then you're going to give your deck an overhand shuffle. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to peel off the top card, but you're going to take about like 6 or 7 cards, but not taking the crimp and that other card, and you're just going to bring it with that card. So that means the double stick tape is still on the bottom, and then you can give it a couple of shuffles on top, just 3 or 4. And then that means you've moved your crimped card further to the top of the deck. So go back and rewind that if you didn't get it. It is pretty simple. They'll do the same and shuffle it. And then what you're going to do is set down a little packet of cards from above the crimped card. And they'll do the same, like this. Then you're going to set down another packet, but this time you're going to lift up at the crimp and put that down. They'll do the same. And now you're going to take the next card and put it on top of their pile. And this is already that next 8. You're going to put that there, and then they'll do the next, and then they'll do that, and put that there. And then what you're going to do, you have your tape here and then your other one here. You can simply just square the deck up, and they square their deck up. And then you're going to spread out and show that the 2 cards are in there in different positions. You're going to take your card out. Don't reveal it yet. I will for tutorial purposes, but don't reveal it. And then they're going to take their card out. You reveal yours, and then you reveal theirs, or they reveal theirs. And at that moment, it's just extremely magical to the spectators. They'll have no idea how you do it. They can check their deck. They can't really check your deck, but it is extremely amazing. Go check out his performance. Link in the link below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Built an empire.